Come test drive the 2019 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one overhead console, trip odometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.